Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Side Hustle with Saj, a channel that encourages you and empowers you to take up entrepreneurship and manage your personal finance, combination of which could lead to a financial independent life. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can make money as a side hustle by taking photos and putting up that for sale on different websites. Before we get into the content, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you get updates as soon as I've uploaded new videos. So I'm going to be sharing 6 websites where you can sell your photos. All you do is simply upload your photos, videos, illustrations if you're creative, and you can make money by just sharing your photos and videos. So whether it's a big brand or someone like a solopreneur who's running a blog, starting a YouTube channels or anything like that, if they're looking out for pictures, they would usually buy their pictures from one of these websites. Now you might be thinking you need something really exclusive to sell on there, but no, if you just basically browse one of these websites that I'm going to mention in this video, you will see that it's just like everyday stuff that people post. So what kind of pictures can you submit? So you could submit pictures related to food industry, travel. So even if you have something like a delicacy that you usually like to cook, you could take pictures of that. You could literally take pictures of your basic desk in the office or in your home office. If you're in a park playing with your kids, if you're on a high street or a popular location, if you're going on holidays, tourist destination, you could have pictures from there as well. So you could actually submit pictures of different locations and types. And if you go on these websites, you would get a better idea of what kind of pictures people submit on these websites. So the first one on the list is Fope. Now Fope is the easiest one to get started with because it's an app that you can download either on an Android phone or an iPhone, and literally you just submit your photos from the phone itself, so you don't have to do any kind of editing or any kind of special work needed to get it going. The site usually sells all these photos for $10. So if anyone buys your photo from the site, they pay $10 and the site keeps 5 and gives you 5. So it's 50-50 splits. Now another interesting concept on this website is like big brands like Nivea, they put up contests on the website where they exactly put up a brief as to what kind of photo or video they're looking out for, and also the monetization they're happy to pay for that. And then you as a contributor can submit any kind of photos or videos based on the brief, and if you get picked up as a winner, you get that chunk of money. So it's as easy as that, and you can make money out of it. So it's a very good side hustle because you don't need any kind of special equipment. Now the second one on the list is Adobe Stock. Now if you're familiar with the design industry, you would know Adobe makes a lot of softwares related to graphic and multimedia like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator and stuff like that. So it's quite natural when someone is using those softwares, they would need some kind of graphic illustrations or video kind of elements to get their project going. And the best way is like they would look at the stock library, which is right in front of them on the Adobe Stock website. So how this works is you must be over 18 years of age to open an account with them. So you can submit photographs, videos, vectors and illustrations on their website, and the customers are usually looking out for high quality content, images relating to models, culture, diversity, technology, fashion, food, portraiture, lifestyle, beauty, business and more. So it could be anything from your regular day-to-day to really something high-end quality products that you take pictures of. Now on Adobe Stock website, if anyone buys your pic, you get 33% commission on the photos and vectors, and you get 35% commission on the videos based on the price of the images. And you can withdraw your money as soon as you reach a $25 threshold, so it's not really that high, and you can withdraw money as PayPal or Skrill, so it's very easy and manageable for anyone to take out to withdraw their payments as well. Now, if you're getting good value out of this video, I would really appreciate if you click on the like button and also subscribe to the channel as well. On the third, we got Alamy. Alamy is a community of over 100,000 customers worldwide, so it's very well known as. Now, Alamy works exactly as the same principle as the others that I mentioned before. You could submit different kind of vectors, photograph, illustrations, and the way they have their pricing structure is like if you submit a photo or illustration which is exclusively for their website, they give you a 50% cut. However, if you decide to basically submit that videos or photos, whatever you are submitting on Alamy's side to another platforms as well, then the commission drops down to 40%, which is still quite high. And from the stats that they have mentioned on their website, they have paid well over 200 millions to the customers worldwide till date. On number 4, we have Shutterstock, which is again another humongous site which allows you to submit your photos, illustrations and different kind of products. Now Shutterstock again works with a lot of these multimedia and online design platforms. So whenever people are looking out for any kind of graphic content, it will show up Shutterstock as an option. Even if they're browsing on a free platform, it will show them options which are available from Shutterstock as a paid one as well. and it's one of the biggest sites. The way their commission structure works, they pay 30% commission on every sale that happens, but they have a tier system as well, which you can see on the screen as well. So the more you start earning, your percentage of commission keeps going up and up as well. So, and it's one of the most famous one as well. So there's a lot of traffic as well on these websites where people share and earn as well. On number 5, you got iStock or Getty Images, which is another humongous platform where people share and sell their photos, videos, illustrations as well. Now, this is a huge site where they have over 1.5 million customers in over 200 countries. So they are a little bit more professional setup where you cannot just submit your photos right away from your phones and stuff like that. You will have to open an account with them. You have to go through a review process initially when you start. So it's quite easy. All you do is you submit about 3 to 6 pictures on their platform. They review that. If you're submitting a video, they might ask you to upload it to a YouTube and share a link with them. And once the review process has gone through, you are able to sell on the platform just like any other website. Now, because there's a review process which could be slightly time consuming, not that it takes long. The pictures on these websites are usually very high quality content, and they offer you slightly lower percentage, but the upside is these images usually go for a really high price tag, and all the images that you submit on this website have to be exclusively sold on that website. So you're not allowed to then distribute the same amount of content on the other, and that's the reason why buyers would pay premium price, because it's kind of an exclusive content only on that platform. On number 6, we have Creative Market. I'm going to be discussing in a little bit more detail in the upcoming videos because it's a really good website that I use myself, because I use this website as well to download a lot of content for my t-shirt business as well. So I'll be discussing that in the upcoming videos. Now, it's a huge website with over 6 million users worldwide, and you don't need a approval for individual photos and stuff like that. But because of the huge demand on this website, there is a link where you need to apply, and it's like an invite only link. Once you have submitted your details as to what you do, what kind of photos you take, you go through like a review process, and once you're approved, then you're free to upload each and every images without getting approval for those individual photos or videos or illustrations or whatever you're sharing on these websites. The other upside is it's up to you what kind of price you want to set up for your content, and you get 60% of that sale price. So you keep more money than what the website keeps, and it's a really huge website. I'm quite aware about that because for my t-shirt business, I regularly download a lot of contents from that website. Now, there are more websites that I'm going to link into the description as well, so make sure to check them out as well. But this is the easiest way to start a side hustle, especially when you're at home, you have some spare hours. You can use this option to submit your photos right from your phone and make an extra cash to supplement your income. So guys, thank you for joining me today. So make sure you subscribe to the channel to get regular updates from the channel, and share with your friends and family, and also share the channel with the other people you know, like your friends and family who might benefit from the side hustles that we talk about on this channel. So take care, and I'll see you in the next one.